Here comes an 8000s cab car appearing from beyond us. Just as this is Metro's old cars ride. Towards Clemmer. Yeah, an 8000s cab car, all right. Arriving. Heading in. It's 8045. The lowest number of 8000s. It's probably 8024, 8029, 8004. This is MP36 number 30. MARC arrives. It's 30 arrive. Car 8045 MP36 number 30 arrive. Now the diesel's cleared. It's the diesel cleaners, right? There's an electric preparing to depart. Maybe in fact two if I'm along with another Siemens charger. I don't know. Can't tell from this angle. See a warm white LED preparing to move and a cool white LED just beside it. And that warm white one's probably in a cell.